It is finally happening! I'm moving! Welcome back to my channel. And if it is your first time here, welcome. If it is your first time, join the family. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Like, I'm making this intro, but I can't stop smiling. I mean, I'm always smiling, but like right now it's a different smile. So, I got the apartment. Which apartment? I know I did an apartment hunting vlog recently, and I promise you it is one of those. It is one of those. So what you're gonna have to do is stick around, honey. Tune into my videos so that you can see which one it was that I got from those that I showed you guys. I'm so happy. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna give you guys a tour. So as I say, just tune in so that you don't miss a thing. If you did not hit the bell, honey. Hit the bell so you don't miss anything, okay? Yes. Make sure you tune in. But today we are packing. So we've been packing. So I did a lot of stuff inside here already. This is what is about to be my old room, honey. This room has a lot of story, a lot of memories, and I'll give you guys the story in the future when it's not so fresh. You know what I mean? But yeah. Yeah, so I'm packing. We've been packing. So I decided to do a pack with me video. So that's what we're doing now. And today is Friday. I'm supposed to look at the apartment today, and I'll be moving in the 1st of June. Yes. So, let's go! Let's start packing. So what I'm gonna do now is I did not start packing Elijah's stuff as yet, you know, because he's a baby, he needs his clothes. But now I'm gonna pack those because Shama and I, we already did our drawers. We take out everything from in the closet, everything is packed. So it was just TJ stuff and like miscellaneous stuff and stuff like what we use literally every day that are left. So we're gonna be packing those over the weekend. But right now I'm gonna pack everything that is in this chest of drawer that belongs to Mr. TJ. Yeah. Guys, look what I found. I saved this because after I had Elijah, I had planned to do a vlog about like what my hospital visit was, what it was like, and the stuff that they did to me, the stuff that I use. So I saved this. This is I don't know the proper name for it. It is a perineal cold pack. So but basically it's like a pad, but inside of it has a cold pack, and it's not activated until you start to crush it up. So I had saved this to show you guys how you get relief after you have the baby and you have all that tenderness and soreness down there. But I did not do that video, and I just found this. What do I do with it? I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. But I had no idea because, listen, I'm from Jamaica, a third world country. You guys that are from Jamaica that are watching my vlog, y'all know. When we go to the hospital and have baby, we don't get stuff like this. You take your busted behind and you go home. You soak yourself over some hot water and you bear your pain until you're healed. We don't have stuff like this. So when I first saw this, when I was doing my research about all the stuff, the American hospitals and stuff, I saw this and I'm like, I don't need that. I don't need that. When they gave it to me when I was there, I was like, ah. It felt like I was sitting on heaven. I did not know that I needed it until I had it. Yeah, so it's literally, it's one of those things that you don't know it's one of those things that you don't know that you need until you actually have it, because trust me, it felt so good. I did not know that highs on your VJJ could be so relaxing, but it was. So this was a savior. That I'm just saying, it was good. Oh guys, so one more thing. These are the undies that they give you at the hospital also. It has this material like gauze. It is very, very stretchy. You see how small it look? And it can fit a triple X woman, maybe. So it's very, 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 very stretchy. All this for me, let me show. So this is what it look like. It's like, okay, it's very stretchy. So it's like that gauze material. So this is what you put on, so that this can hold all of your stuff after you have baby. Yep, courtesy of the hospital. I should have done that video, but yeah, I didn't get a chance to do it. So there you go. At least you learned something in this little vlog. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna take a break from this, make some food. I don't even think I'm gonna continue this today, because I did quite a bit today. So over the weekend we're gonna do all, literally pack everything that is left, the important stuff that we have out now that we're still using. We're gonna be packing everything and doing a cleaning. We're gonna be cleaning all the weekend, all this weekend. So that's what my weekend is gonna look like. What is your weekend gonna look like? Leave it in the comments. So I'm gonna make dinner now, and TJ is wrangling me for my camera. TJ, what do you want to say to the camera? What do you want to say to the people that are watching you? Oh, that's what you want to say? Attitude. Oh guys, I see my thing in the background. I'm gonna show you guys. I haven't showed you guys that before. Hold on, I haven't showed you guys that. See, I'm looking at it right there. Right, hold on. TJ's just like right over there. That right there. You know what that is? That's my vision board. I've never showed you guys. It's incomplete. Reason why it's incomplete is because I don't have all the pictures that I have in mind that I would want to add to it, and I don't have a printer. Those pictures are what I found in magazines, and I just cut them out. But like everything else that I have in mind, I haven't gotten a chance to like print it out yet to add to it. But there's so much more to add to it. But so that's my vision board that I look at every day, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so first and foremost, let me say I'm not gonna talk about everything in details, because some things are for the future, and you'll see and find out about them as they come to life. But it's my vision. So right there I have this young lady, and the quote that's beside her says, I want to be vocal about what matters to me. That's literally me. Right here you have this ship. Definitely in the future I want to go on a cruise, or cruises, with my family, my husband, my kids. And right beside it is an airplane wing. That's all I could find. But my vision, see, I want to travel, travel, travel. Right here is my cosmetic company. Manifested it, working on it. Badass. See, it says badass. And right here it says, I like having a vision for goals I want to achieve, even things I can't articulate yet. That is literally myself. Right down here is a laptop. I manifested that and I got it. I wanted also to add a camera to it. Oh my god, you know what, guys? I just realized something. When I was making this vision board, I did not have this camera. But I know I wanted a picture to add to the vision board, and I manifested the camera. I got the camera and it's not even on the vision board yet. That is so cool. Oh my god. So, and look at that. I manifested a new home. So you see, some of the things that are on my vision board I already achieved and I didn't even realize. But yeah, and also traveling. So this is somewhere like in China. That's somewhere in China that I want to travel to. And then another picture right there of a beautiful, beautiful ocean. So those just signifies me traveling a lot. And you see that plane that is literally like made out of paper mache. And then this car, I do not want a small car, but that's what I could find at the time, so I just put it there as a placeholder. It simply means that I need something with 4 wheels in the future, but I'm an SUV type of gal. I love SUVs, and I might get a pickup truck. But yeah, that's my unfinished vision board. Half of it already manifested and are live and direct, but to be completed. Oh my god, guys, look what just came in the mail. Courtesy of Elijah's dad. I did not see this one coming. Normally when he buys stuff on Amazon, I would see it and I was like, if I see something that say, hey, thanks for your purchase, and I know that I didn't make a purchase, I always get curious because I don't want somebody to hack my account. So, but for some reason this one missed me. I just saw the delivery at the doorstep today and I'm like, what's that? I didn't order anything. But voila, you got a jungle gym. So on the outside he has like animals. I guess you can see it on the inside too. So he's liking it. And it comes with some balls. I think they say it's 20 balls that he can play with. TJ, do you like your gym? Do you like your jungle? Do you like your jungle? Do you? He's coming to the camera.